Bye.
You stupid fucking bitch. The intersection, you fucking asshats.
Guy's sitting there on it. Guy's sitting there.
Oh, now he's backing up. Oh, now he's... Where you going, sir? Oh, Lord.
Street tunnel or getting into the tunnel. There's maybe 17
Get the fuck out of my way. You better get over, you bitch.
Several people living in a Southside apartment building.
WBBM business markets are closed for New Year's Day. AccuWeather calling for mainly cloudy skies today. A few flurries with a high of 31. Tonight some clearing, still breezy.